Hi everybody, welcome to week 1 in your AENGL 90 class. We are inside the week 1 module, and a module is like a file folder that I put the week's work in. I want to give you an overview so that you'll understand how I structure and organize these modules. That's very important to being successful in the course. In each module, you'll see the dates at the top of the week. I go from Monday through Sunday. I consider that a week because since this is an online class, you have to manage your time, and the assignments are open, but you know what your due dates are. Okay, so this week we're going to do introductions. You're going to learn about the course and think about how to be successful in the course, and we're going to focus on a verb tense review as our grammar point. Okay, so in each module, well, right here, this is the video I'm making, and so please watch those each week. And then when you see the week 1 assignments, what this does is it gives you an overview, or at a glance, you can see what we're doing. Okay, so if I click on this, you can see it says this is what you should do this week, and you can scroll down and look at everything: grammar review activities, videos, extra credit, that kind of thing. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the main module. So again, when you are in the module, though, another way to access all the teaching materials is in the module, and I like that. So here you can find that video, which is going to be very important because we'll be learning a method of how to think about verb tense use. And when we do our timed writes in the class, I'm going to ask you to use this method, so please pay attention. I have put the first chapter of the grammar book in here for you, just in case you haven't been able to get your book right away. But unfortunately, I'm not allowed to put more than one chapter, because possibly 2, but then I get in trouble because we have copyright laws, and I work for the state of Washington. Okay, and here this week, normally I'd put some readings that we might reflect on, and you'll have those next week. But these are just a couple of videos to introduce you to the theme of our first unit that we're going to be thinking and writing about, and it's kindness, which I think is something that we all need a lot of, especially right now. There's always going to be a section graded assignments, and so you'll see, make sure that you do all these things this week. Okay, I'll just say, here's your first discussion board. Read the instructions carefully because you need to reply to people in order to get full points. There's a little syllabus quiz. This is a small exercise just to get you to think about how you're going to manage your workload this quarter to be successful. And then there's a small verb tense assignment which reviews what the skill we're learning in the video. Okay, finally, very importantly, every week I'm going to give you an opportunity to earn extra credit. I know students really like that. Please do not skip the main assignments, okay? Do the extra credit as extra. So you can do a discussion, open discussion. If you just participate one time, you get a point, but please make it meaningful. And I always encourage students to do vocabulary work because it's so important to being able to read, write, speak, and listen well in another language. So if you do 10 words per week using this vocabulary log and you upload, I will give you 2 points extra credit each week. Okay, I need to update these points here. All right, that's it, and I'm so excited to work with you, and I'll see you soon. I hope everybody can attend the Tuesday meeting. Take care.